everybody. We're going to do the last few problems here, 7, 8, and 9 from the set. For number 7, we are still referring to our rectangle up here, and we say that angle DBC is 10x, ACB is 4x squared minus 6x. Those angles are congruent, so we will say 10x equal to 4x squared minus 6. Now to solve for x, we'll get everything to one side. We'll subtract the 10x from both sides. 4x squared minus 10x minus 6. Now in order to solve this, we need to factor. First going to factor out a 2. X squared minus 5x minus 3. And then we should have a 2 in there. And then we have a binomial that it factors into, 2x here and x here. Then I need factors of -3 such that when I add it together and refoil this out, I'll have -5x as my middle term. I believe if I make this a -3 and this a +1, we'll have what we need. Now, still equal to 0. Got two values of x. X can be -1/2 or x could be 3. Just to review, I got those by setting 2x plus 1 equal to 0 and x minus 3 equal to 0. Now, -1/2 isn't going to work because 10 times -1/2 is -5. I can't have a negative angle measurement. Our x we're going to use then is 3. Okay, and we need to find ACB. So I'm going to put a 3 in here. 3 squared is 9. 4 times 9 is 36. 36 minus 6 is 30. The measure of angle ACB is 30 degrees. Okay, for number 8, AB is 6y. I'll label that. BC is 8y. Find BD in terms of y. Okay, well, interestingly enough, we have a Pythagorean theorem here. We're looking for BD. Well, that'd be the same here. I can put 8y on this side. So I'll work on this up here. Pythagorean theorem. Quantity 6y squared plus quantity 8y squared is equal to the length of BD squared. 36y squared plus 64y squared is still equal to BD quantity squared. Like terms, this comes out to 100y squared. Still have BD squared. Make that a D. And I need to figure out what BD is by itself, and we'll take the square root of both sides. 10y. Alright, so BD in terms of y, we're looking at 10y. Alright, number 9 here, our last one. Rectangle MNOP, the measure of angle 1 is 40. So we need to find the measure of all the other angles. Okay, since diagonals and each piece of the diagonal of a rectangle is the same, angle 2 is 40. 2 and 3 added together make 90, so 3 has to be 50. That makes 4 50 degrees. Okay, 40 and 40 down here make 80, leaving me with 100 for this angle measure. And that means angle 6 has to be 100. 5 has to be 80. Okay, and I believe that's all the angles we need to find. So there you go.